Before beginning the installation, check to verify that you have all parts present according to the bill of material located on the first page of the instructions. If something is missing, call tech support at 1-800-486-0999. Locate your vehicle's battery and disconnect the negative battery cable. This resets the computers and clears old airflow data to prevent errors. Remove the engine cover. Unplug the mass airflow sensor. Loosen the clamps on the stock air duct using an 8mm socket. Carefully remove the duct. Pull the stock breather hose from the airbox and then from the engine. Remove the bolt holding the stock airbox using an 8mm socket. Lift and remove the stock airbox. Carefully twist the mass airflow sensor and remove from the stock duct. Insert the mass airflow sensor into the Corsa air duct. Insert the PowerCore filter onto the adapter inside of the Corsa airbox. Tighten with an 8mm socket. Attach the supplied bracket to the Corsa airbox. We suggest starting in this position. Attach the supplied vinyl trim to the engine bay. Insert the Corsa airbox into the car. Check clearances below the air duct and adjust the bracket accordingly. Use the factory bolt to attach the bracket to the car using an 8mm socket. Slide the hump hose and two number 64 clamps onto the duct. Slide the straight sleeve with two number 56 clamps onto the elbow. Insert the elbow into the hump hose and then onto the throttle body. Tighten all clamps using an 8mm socket. Using a pry tool, pull the plastic clips holding the mass airflow sensor to gain more length. Then plug in the mass airflow sensor. Install the Corsa breather hose in place of the factory one you removed earlier. Then attach to the Corsa duct. Reinstall the engine cover. Now start up the car. Close the hood and enjoy.